we set sail on a 5-day adventure, looking to catch one of the most valued fish, every fisherman's dream catch, including mine. We're talking about nothing more and nothing less than the marlin. Sure, we'll find other fascinating and exciting species like the sailfish, Mahi Mahi, tuna, and others. Let's see where this epic journey takes us with our friends from Mahi Fishing Lodge. This trip has been divided in 3 episodes. Join us on this adventure to explore one of the most exciting fisheries of my beloved Panama. Our journey begins from Mahi Fishing Lodge's base of operations in Vista Mar Marina, district of San Carlos. From here, we will make our way to Bahia Piñas, which translates to Pineapple Bay, a destination southeast of the Pearl Islands in the Darien province, a spot known worldwide for its monster pelagics. Since it's my first time on one of these yachts, Joel would explain crucial information.
La cadena, para cuando vas a usar el servicio, tienes que aprender, o sea, esto es para usar agua dulce, aquí, acá, donde sea, te vas a bañar. Si vas a echar de orinar, aquí, tienes que prender esta bomba. Para que te baje el water pressure, stop pump.
Antes de
esa es para poder bajar. Eso sería para esto, mira.
We're gonna sleep 5 days aboard this vessel, so we better get comfy.
Se la lleva. Entonces llenas de agua, con esta de abajo, haces lo que tienes que hacer, termina ya.
Today, we'll see Mahi Mahi catches and learn a recipe for preparing this delicious fish by Captain Jorge Petti. It's his secret recipe. Double hit by Gilbert and Eduardo. Mahi Mahi fishing was so good, even other boats were catching them. We were using a hybrid between lures and bait that resulted to be very effective. On the way back, the ocean got choppy and a storm would block our entry back to the bay.
Fortunately for us, the wind is going that way. So the storm is all the way over there.
So we would do a little bit of inshore trolling, allowing the storm to simmer down.
¿Qué nudo es este?
I would go to the bow to cast for a bit, but it was a terrible idea. The ocean almost threw me over.
Cuidado, no toques pescadera.
Qué bonito.
I was surprised that in the ocean, nothing ever stops. The Mahi Mahi filleting was done with a moving yacht. And all of a sudden,
We did get rained on. That's the bay right there.
once we were back at safe port, time to relax and have dinner. Mahi Mahi can be definitely eaten, since there's plenty in the ocean. Its IUCN code marks LC, least concern, which means that there's abundance, unlike the marlin or the sailfish, that according to Panamanian law, it's illegal to kill them.
Bueno.
In the second part of this trip, we'll see sailfish, marlins, an explanation of offshore fishing, the lures and equipment used, and the rescue of 4 sea turtles trapped in the lines. I'll see you on the next episode.